Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Gracefully Ade. Today I want to be sharing something very beautiful. It's an inspiration that I want to share with you today. Hey, come on, before we get started, I want to encourage you. If this is your first time of coming across my video, I will encourage you to please kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because in this channel it is where we drop positive vibes, encouragement, awakeness, and we bring information that will encourage you to become better than your yesterday. Remember, yesterday is gone and there is nothing you can do about yesterday. Today is a fresh start. So whatever you do today, make you become better. Whatever you're going to do tomorrow is not predictable. Today is what you have to make good use of. Like I always said in my channel, procrastination is not allowed. So whatever you're going to do, let each day be the best of your day. Live your day as if tomorrow is not going to come, or like today is your last day. So I want you to enjoy this few inspiration I'm going to be sharing with you, and I will encourage you to as well share this video with your friends, your family, and your loved one, because you never can know. This little inspiration can just make somebody to become great. So listen, I want to be sharing a story before I will end up with some few keys on how you can be able to understand my little story today. Yeah, there is a lady. She went out one morning going for shopping. As she was going, she went to different shops to get some stuff that she want to use at home. When she finished buying all the things she needed to buy, getting home, when she got to her house, she found out that she has lost her key. And there is no key that she can be able to get into the house. So she have to call the children. The kids are home. So when she called the children, and yet they opened the door, she was able to go inside the house. Listen very well. But there is no way she could able to get into her bedroom. She sought for the spare key and she kept searching for the spare key. She know that she has a spare key. Since the main key is lost, there is a spare key that she need to open the bedroom. The sons, the daughters, they help her to look for the key, but they were unable to get the key. She sought for the key. The first day, she could not find the key. And in that house, they have just 3 bedrooms in the house. She have the room, the room, and the kids have their room. The 2 girls and the 2 boys, they have their separate room. The 2 boys are in their room and the 2 girls are in their room. And they are all adults. So what will she do? She has nothing to do. And the husband is not around. The husband traveled outside the country. So this lady, what she needs to do, she sought for the key, looking for the spare key. But there is no way she could able to get the spare key. She looked for the key the first day. The second day, she was not sleeping in the parlor. She was not sleeping in the sitting room. She slept in the sitting room for the past a month and some weeks. And there is no passing day that get by that she doesn't sought for the key. She do all she could do. People say, okay, why don't you just break the door and get another key so that you can be able to go inside your room? Oh, fine. She went to ask where she can be able to change the key. When she got there, and they gave her a price. But fortunately, she don't have such money to change the key. So she came home, she started searching for the key. And it get to about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. She was still sleeping with it in a sitting room. The children said, okay, Mom, why not come sleep in our room so that me and my brothers, we can be able to sleep together? But she said, no, I don't want to inconvenience my children. The sitting room was okay. She was using at least one clothes for the past 9 months. She was just wearing a cloth for the past 9 months. After all said and done, she thought about it. What am I going to do? I can't just give up. I can just start buying clothes. I have it all in my room. So what will I do? I have to keep searching. So this lady keeps searching until a very fateful day. She just saw the key at a place she never expected. She saw the spare key at a place she never expected that she would find the key. And when she opened the door, behold, everywhere was tattered. A room that has been locked for the past 9 months. What do you expect? Everywhere is messed up. She started cleaning. At the same time, she used about a month to tidy up the rooms to make sure the room is fresh and beautiful. And behold, after she did that, she was happy, she was content. And everybody forgot about how she lost the key. She herself could not remember what happened. She forget about what the 9 months, the 10 months that she has spent looking for the spare key to her room. She forgot about the pain. She forgot about when she was sleeping in the couch. She no longer remembered the chair. She no longer remembered the couch that she was sleeping. She no longer remembered the one cloth she was wearing because she was able to get the spare key. And she was able to tidy the room, and the room became very beautiful. And at the end of the day, she was happy and everybody was happy. But there was a lesson in this very story. So I want to tell you something. My little inspiration today from this very story is to let you know that wherever you are or whatever you're doing in life, whatever you want to achieve in life, you are the only one that can stop yourself. Nobody can stop you. You are the only one that can decide, can I continue to go on in my goals even when my goals I have not been able to achieve it? Come on, darling. I want to tell you, you can be able to achieve your goal even when you fail, even when you were unable to achieve it. You don't need to give up on that goal. Your goal is your responsibility. This lady waited for about 9 or 11 months to be able to get back the spare key. She didn't get the original key, but rather she got the spare key. So I want to encourage you. Whatever you're going through, whatever you want, don't look for anybody to tell you to keep moving on. You have to tell it to yourself that you need to keep moving on until you are able to achieve that goal. Life is a journey. Life is a ghetto. It's a place everybody is here to hustle. We all are here to make out something better for our lives. So I want to encourage you in this short story that whatever you're looking for, that thing you're going out there to look for, don't let anybody tell you that, since you've been looking for it for the past 10 years, 5 years, and you've not achieved it, you should quit. Come on, you can't quit. Keep looking for it. And one day you will find out that thing, you will grab it and you will see it in your hand, and you will no longer remember the years that you've been waiting to achieve that goal. If you look at a champion today, if a champion tells you a story, a champion has failed many times. A champion has given up many times, but because he's a champion, he told himself that I cannot fail. I cannot be able to be stuck in one place. Anytime he sees himself stuck in, because he knows the capacity, he knows what is about to achieve, he never gave up his dream. He pressed on until he became a champion, or until she became a champion. So I want to let you know, in life, be yourself, because everyone else is already taken. Nobody can be you because you are yourself. Everyone else is already taken. And I want you to know, any dance you want to dance, don't let anybody play the drum for you. Dance to the tune that you know you are capable. Dance to the lyrics you know you are able to dance in. Sing the song that you know you are ready to dance in. Don't let nobody sing the song that you don't have the step to dance on. Sing the song that you know is fit for you. Dance the dance that you know that you are capable to dance. Life is a ghetto. I want to tell you, life is a battle. But the only way you can stop is only you that can stop yourself. Like I said, be yourself. Keep moving. You will get there someday. You will not remember yesterday. You will not remember. The lady was able to get a spare key, but she never remembered if she has lost that key before. So I want to let you know, keep pressing on, keep moving. Don't let anybody make you inferior. The only way you can be inferior, it is only when you give people access to make you look inferior, or if you give people access to talk you down. That is where you can be on 6 feet. Nobody wants anybody to be better than them. But the devil or people always want to be ahead of you. So what you need to do is to keep pressing on in your journey, is to keep focusing on in your journey. And I want to tell you, when you get to your destination, you will not remember how you got there. Just like the lady of the key. She lost it and it took her 9 months. She was sleeping in a couch. But after she got the spare key, she never remembered the 9 months she was sleeping in the couch. So if you get something in this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button. If you're not already a member of this station, of this channel, Gracefully Ade. If you are not a member, I will encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So this is my little inspiration today, and I want to tell you that life is a ghetto, life is a journey. You can't just stop until you get to that place you wish to be. Everybody else has been taken. Your journey is your responsibility. Don't give up. There is better day to come. Forget about the key that you've lost. Get a spare key or get a new key. I'll see you on my next video. I love you. Gracefully Ade. Share this video and God bless you. Bye.